Dubai, you're not allowed to you're not allowed to take your gunmen around, right? In public, in Dubai.
You're not supposed to know.
No, right?
No.
No matter who you are, how important you are.
No.
Guns are not allowed.
No. Even if you have, for some reason or the other, like the license to own a weapon, you're not supposed to have it in your pocket or in your car just walking out, unless you are of a security related.
Until job. There's a very high level clearance for you, you can't. Like you can't be a normal businessman with 20 bodyguards.
No,
it's not allowed.
No, but if you work in for security apparatus of the country or then those are certain conditions.
You have best top of the top infrastructure. You provide safety, security, which is way better than top countries in the world. Like in London, you can't be on the street wearing XYZ things or brands or something, or you can't go in a car and locked car people just steal, right? In London, this being the case. Right? So you provide security, you provide infrastructure, there's everything free for a lot of people. Then you have incredible largest of the largest things as well.
Right.
And then there's zero tax. Like, where's the money coming from?
So the model is different and unique. Some of the money obviously is coming from oil and gas. And there's a federal budget and there are local budgets. And then those federal entities, for example, they generate their own revenues. So if you look at Ministry of Foreign Affairs, we get so much revenue from attestations of documents, commercial documents and other personal documents. And that revenue goes to the Ministry of Finance. Ministry of Finance, based on that, obviously, because they decide with the cabinet on the allocation for each ministry when it comes to their budgets. So there are those sources of revenues that are being generated. At the local government level, they differ from one place to the other. But you have people, you have to pay, for example, for setting up a trading license, you have to pay certain fees to get certain services connected or certain services provided. And all of this goes also into the local budget, and from the local budget to the local expenditure. Now, remember I told you about this property example, and that I was able to get an evaluation done specifically to the property, but I had to pay for that evaluation. So that also goes into that kind of budget versus expenditure kind of thing. So yes, there are so many things that you can, there are so many things that you experience, and they are like the infrastructure is great, safety is top notch, and correct that all of this is at a cost, but this kind of money is also being generated from other kind of sources, and they pay for that.